Rubber game between the Marlins and Braves in Atlanta on Jackie Robinson Day, so everyone's wearing 42. And D. Gordon gets the scoring started in the third. The double off of Eric Stoltz. That plates a pair, and it was 2-0 Fish. Same score in the fifth. Adeiny Hechavarria at the dish with a runner aboard, and he takes Stoltz out of the ballpark. First of the year for Hechavarria, and it's 4-0 Miami. Same score in the top of the sixth. Cody Martin now pitching. No doubt about that one. Michael Morse's first home run as a member of the Marlins. That made it 5-0. It was a 5-2 game in the seventh. Dan Haren solid for Miami in this one. He strikes out Johnny Gomes. Then to end his day, he gets Andrelton Simmons on the bouncing ball, the shortstop. Great day for Haren. He goes 7 innings, strikes out 5, allows the 2 earned runs as the Marlins win it 6-2. They are headed to New York to face the Mets starting Thursday. The Braves open a series in Toronto on Friday.